Here's something I don't get a chance to do very often, an unboxing video. I've not long come back from the International Engage show down in Leamington Spa. I then had a holiday, and while on holiday I was on eBay, and I've come back and a lot of things have all come together. So this is the Engage show, the free show guide. Very good, some excellent layouts. I've got some videos hopefully I can show during this video. Nice big area. The one thing I don't like is in the seating area above it is a mezzanine restaurant, and there's no disabled access to the mezzanine restaurant. That's my beef out of the way. Right, while I was away at TINGS, I managed to pick up what I think will be a couple of projects for future restorations, and also picked up a couple of wagons and stuff. I visited the shop and barrel where they've got Engage stuff, thanks to John and Sheila. It's Crafty Hobbies, by the way, and I've got a couple of boxes which have come back from eBay. So I'm going to start with this box of material that I got from TINGS, mainly just because I look for bargains. They're very cheap, but here's a couple of wagons, American style, Peabody. I've got about 3 or 4 of these already with a hopper, and these have got like knuckle couplers, but I've got a barrier wagon anyway. Then a UP that refrigerated truck, I can't remember. The weight sounds loose, so that's something to do at some night. A chassis system caboose. I've got a chassis system locomotive. Needs a wee bit of work done to it. These have come adrift, couplers adrift obviously. And again, because I like working in things, something with a loose bogie. Hopefully just the pin came out, but at £2 you can't really argue much. I just thought these were interesting, long low trailers. I don't have them, so I thought I'd add them to my collection. This is an observation car from the Baltimore and Ohio Railway. Just reminds of the aluminium coaches I used in the Canadian National Railway line a few years back. Just interesting looking coach. And finally, this is actually a European style coach, but I like the purple and silver livery, and I'll come back to that sometime in the future. I think there's an American company called Atlantic Coastline Trains or something who use a very similar livery, and this would just match it nicely. Right, here's a project for later on. It's a Boco, and I'm not sure what kind of loco it is. It's an E8 or something. On the edge it says it's an FMC. Okay. Now I don't know if it works. It says spares or repair, £9.50, can't go wrong. At the very worst, I've got another similar locomotive with one of the bogies missing. So I ought to be able to get one out of the 2. That's a project for later on. And last but by no means least is a little Trix 260 locomotive, and one of the problems with it is on this side, I believe. Yeah, it's the old Trix running gear problem. Crank pin broken or missing. Someone's tried to fix it to make it run, but I don't know what else could be wrong with it. Again, I think I might have a spare one. So that's my haul from TINGS, sorry. So at least 2, maybe 3 projects. I picked up this. It's a cattle car which I don't have, and I just thought I have to have a cattle car. So looking at these, I had this idea that what I'll do is I'll unwrap them, and if they are runnable, I'll get them set up on the track and just use that perhaps as a closing shot. And if they're not runnable, I'll put them aside for repair later on. Let's turn turning my attention to one of these boxes. I know that I ordered at least 2 locomotives from eBay, and to be honest, I don't know which one will be which. So you are seeing this as I am seeing it. So inside, bubble wrap, well wrapped up, nice. There's some air fix box and a nice little letter, thank you, yep, okay. And some paper. I just thought there was a puzzle in there. No puzzle. Anyway, it's aside. So it's an air fix box. This is a double locomotive. And it says it's an 042 tank, 1400 class for the Great Western Railway. And the box is in very nice condition for its age. Little flap there, dash there. Anyway, let's have a look at it. Never had one of these before. Doesn't look in too bad condition. I hope you can see that. I'm not watching the monitor. Okay. Looks good condition. Apparently a non-runner, which is what I like. Yeah. Okay, so that's definitely another project for sometime very shortly. And then lastly, but I hope by no means leastly, I can't even remember what this one is. More bubble wrap and a red box. Oh yes, red boxes. If you're into more vintage style locomotives, you might know what this is. Something this, you can't really rehearse taking bubble wrap off, because then that's all the wrapping undone. Here we go. Is it what I think it might be? It's a Collet 66XX, sorry, 56XX, and I've got one of these, and it looks in nice condition. Coupler's a bit bent and stiff at the front. That looks all right there. Ladders in place. Traction tires. Okay, so that's good there. Original box with original corrugated cardboard wrap. That should be wrapped up in that. And the Trix twin box with the number F103. So this is pretty original. Oh yeah, I'm going to enjoy working on this one as well. So, thank you for watching my little opening video. So out of this, I think I've got up to 5 projects to work on. So I hope you liked that. Please comment if you would, if you know anything about any of these, or any questions you might want to ask me. I'll see if I can help you in some way or other. So until I see you again, people, take care of yourself, take care of others, look after yourself, and that's rubbish, but you know what I mean. So thanks for watching, and for me, it's bye for now.